Hi students, welcome to my video class. Today discuss next question 8th. Draw a square of sides 5 cm. Draw an isosceles triangle of the same area. We want to first study what is square. What is the square? All sides are equal. All angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal. That are the important points. Opposite sides are also parallel. Therefore, you are already studying in lower class how to draw square. How to draw a square? Square 5 centimeter side. Therefore, first draw 5 centimeter. Then using set square or protractor or scale, draw 90 degree. Then take in compass and cut 5 centimeter. Similarly, here also using set square or protractor, draw 90 degree and cut 5 centimeter. Therefore, join these two, we get a square. We are already studied. Then next, draw an isosceles triangle. Draw an isosceles triangle. What is the condition of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Then base angle or equal sides opposite angle also equal. Therefore, how to draw an isosceles triangle? Draw a square first. That is the first step. Second step, draw diagonal. Draw a diagonal. Third step, extend the base 5 centimeter. Extend the base 5 centimeter. Fourth step, join this point to opposite vertex. Therefore, we get this side also. This is a isosceles triangle. Then now explain. First, draw 5 centimeter. Set square law, protractor law 90 degree mark here. ഇവിടെ 90 ഡിഗ്രി മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. എന്നതിന് ശേഷം കോമ്പസിൽ 5 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ എടുത്തതിന് ശേഷം കോമ്പസ് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ച് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെയും കോമ്പസ് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ രണ്ട് പോയിൻറ്സും കൂട്ടി യോജിപ്പിക്കാം. അപ്പം കിട്ടുന്നത് എ ബി സി ഡി ഒരു സ്ക്വയർ ആയിരിക്കും. എ ബി സി ഡി ഈസ് എ സ്ക്വയർ. Then that's first step is over. Second, draw a diagonal. Draw a diagonal AC. Next step, extend the base. Extend the base. Then take in compass 5 centimeter and cut. That also 5 centimeter. That point join to the opposite vertex. Therefore, join. Therefore, another name E. Therefore, we get a triangle AEC. This is a isosceles triangle. 10 centimeter base. Measuring that time, its diagonal 7.707 centimeter or 7 point something. Here also 7.7 centimeter. Therefore, two sides are equal. Therefore, AEC is a isosceles triangle. Okay. Next question 9. Prove that the two triangles below have the same area. Then two triangles are given in the triangle name ABC. Measurement also given 6, 5, 5. It's isosceles triangle. Another isosceles triangle PQR. Base 8 centimeter. Other two sides 5. Here base is 6. Here base 8. That is the difference. Other two sides are equal. Then how to find the area? Triangle ABC, CD perpendicular to AB. Therefore, this is the height. Consider ADC, right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, this is the hypotenuse square, 90 opposite side is hypotenuse. This is base, height. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Here, height want to find out. Height square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Reason, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Then height square is equal to hypotenuse square, base square minus hypotenuse square minus base square. Here hypotenuse 5 square minus base 6 half. Reason, isosceles triangle, a line drawn from the top vertex to the base is divided into equal portion. Therefore, 3 centimeter. Therefore, base 3 square, 5 square 25, 3 square 3 into 3 9, 25 minus 9 60. Height square is 60. Therefore, height root 16. Root 16 means 4 into 4 is 16. Therefore, height is 4 centimeter. Then area of triangle ABC, half into base into height. Half, base is given 6, height already find out 4. Therefore, 6 into 4, 2, 6, 3 times, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 4 into 4, 12 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC, 12 centimeter square. Similarly, second triangle PQR. RS is perpendicular to PQ. Here also using Pythagoras theorem, height square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Here hypotenuse also 5. In isosceles triangle, base is divided into equal part, line drawn to the opposite side equal part. Therefore, this is 4 centimeter. Therefore, hypotenuse 5, base 4, 5 square 25, 4 square 4 into 4 16, 25 minus 16 9, height square 9, height is root 9 3 centimeter. Then area is equal to triangle PQR, half into base into height, half into 8 into 3, 2, 8, 4 times, 4 3s are 12 centimeter square. Now, we are already find out area of 2 triangles. First triangle ABC area is 12 centimeter square. Second triangle area is also find out, that time 12 centimeter square. 2 areas are 12. Therefore, 2 triangles area are same. Therefore, already proved. This is the 9th question answer. Thank you. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായി.